Hello, dear students. Good morning. How are you? Dear students, today we are going to start the second part of the chapter, The Adventures of the Toto. But before we move to the second part, we will have a very quick recap of the part 1. Dear students, in the part 1, we have studied that the narrator's grandfather was very fond of animals. He has his private zoo. One day, he bought a monkey, Toto, from a Tonga driver for 5 rupees. Then we were told about the monkey Toto. We came to know that the monkey Toto was very pretty monkey with sparkling eyes and pearly white teeth. At the same time, he was also very naughty. He used to create a lot of mischiefs for others. He used to frighten the Anglo-Indian women by showing teeth to them. He used to hang from the branches using his tail, and not only that, he also used his tail as a third hand to pick up the things. Then we come to know about some of the naughty activities of the Toto, of the monkey Toto. We know that the grandmother did not like the monkey at all, or the grandmother did not like it whenever the grandfather brought any animal in the house. So in the beginning, the grandfather and the narrator, they kept the secret of they kept the monkey as a secret. On the first night, they put him in his bedroom, where he created a lot of destruction. He destroyed the wallpapers of the wall. He pulled out the peg. Not only that, he also torn the school blazer of the narrator. And his naughtiness did not stop here. It kept on increasing. When he was put into the servant quarters with other animals, he did not allow other animals to sleep, and in a way Toto became unmanageable for others. After that, what did we see? One day the grandfather was going to Dehradun to collect his pension. When he was going there, he decided that he cannot leave Toto at the house because Toto is unmanageable because of his mischievous एक्टिविटीज़. मिस्चीवियस समझते हो? वो बहुत ही गंदी हरकतें करता था, सबको परेशान करता था. तो ग्रैंडफादर को लगा कि इस टोटो को यहाँ पे रखना पॉसिबल नहीं है. सो ग्रैंडफादर डिसाइडेड टू टेक हिम विथ हिमसेल्फ. ही टुक अ बिग कैनवास बैग. ही पुट टोटो इन इट, बट टोटो was always trying to come out of it, though the bag was very strong. So what happened to the bag? Sometime the bag was jumping in the air, sometime it was falling on the floor, rolling over the floor, and it was a very humorous scene over the platform at Dehradun. Then we see what did Toto do with that ticket collector when the ticket collector came to grandfather and he asked grandfather to show him the ticket. Grandfather was showing him the ticket, but suddenly Toto took his head out of the bag and he showed his teeth. There was a word green. Green means laughing while showing your teeth. दांत दिखा के हंसना. Toto showed his teeth to him. The ticket collector became afraid, but he was also a brave person. He controlled himself and declared. What did he declare? उसने declare कर दिया, Toto is not a monkey. Toto is what? Toto is a dog, and because grandfather is traveling with the dog, grandfather has to pay the fare for it. Grandfather tried his best to explain it and prove it that Toto is not a dog, Toto is monkey, but the ticket collector did not listen him. And finally, because of the mischievous activities of the Toto, grandfather has to give the fare to the ticket collector. After that, the grandfather became very angry, and he also asked the ticket collector, should I pay for that tortoise also? The ticket collector said, no, we do not charge the tortoise. So this was a thing that we have studied in the part 1, and one thing we have got to know that Toto is not a very cute monkey. Though he looks very cute, but he is not cute by nature. He is very mischievous. He creates problem for everyone, and even he enjoys in disturbing others. As you can see in this picture, how Toto is disturbing the dog. This is the nature of the Toto, and what happened after that we will see in the next video or in the next part of the chapter. What are the things that Toto did in his life? Okay, students, now we'll start the Adventures of Toto part 2. What happened to the students? We In the part one we have seen that the grandmother did not like Toto at all, or even she did not like any animal. But slowly and slowly time changed, and grandmother finally accepted Toto. She allowed that Toto can be kept in the house. So Toto was given a new house. This new house was a stable. Stable, you understand? Stable is a place where the horses are, or the donkeys are kept. Toto was given a place with a donkey, with their family donkey, whose name was Nana. He was kept there during the night. When in the morning grandfather came to see how were both the animals, he was surprised to see that Nana was pulling his rope tighter, and he was trying to be away as far as possible from the he was trying to be away from the hay. Hay means the grass, the grasses, the dried grasses that are kept for him to eat. He was trying to keep himself away from that place. The grandfather saw him, and he became surprised at what is the problem with Nana. Why is he not eating the grasses? To comfort him, grandfather patted him on his back, and Nana dragged. Nana dragged back, and what happened when Nana dragged back? The grandfather saw that Toto was hanging by his ear. His sharp teeth were tightly stuck to the ears of the Nana. It means that the donkey was caught by the monkey Toto by the ear, and after that Toto and Nana never became friends. Okay, let us move ahead. During the winter season, Toto enjoyed having a warm bath. He was given a bowl of the warm water by the grandmother. And how Toto used to bath? First of all, he used to go near the bowl of the water, then he used to put his finger inside it just to check the temperature of the water. He has learned this thing from the narrator, and when he found that the water was warm enough for him to take a bath, then he used to put his leg first inside it, and after that he used to enter inside it and used to be there with his face out of the water only. And after that he used to rub, not only that, he used to rub himself with the soap. And when the water became cold, he used to run toward the kitchen to warm himself and to dry himself. And while Nana was doing all these things, sorry, it is not Nana, why it is the monkey Toto. Why Toto was doing all these things, stepping into the bathtub, then rubbing himself with the soap, then running toward the kitchen. And while he was doing all these things, if anybody laughed at him by seeing his activities, then he used to become very annoyed, he used to become very angry, and then he refused that. He used to say that I will not bath. Now the writer describes one incident when Toto nearly boiled himself alive. अब नरेटर हमें एक ऐसे इंसिडेंट के बारे में बताता है जब टोटो ने अपने आप को लगभग जिंदा ही बॉयल कर लिया. हाउ डिड ही बॉयल हिमसेल्फ? हाउ वाज ही अबाउट टू बॉयल हिमसेल्फ? विल सी इट नाउ. What happened? One day, a large kettle of water was kept outside for the tea. Water was boiling inside it. Toto, the monkey, was moving here and there, and because he has nothing to do, he thought he should do something strange, something new. So he went near the kettle. He removed the lid of the kettle and put his finger in the water to check the temperature of the water. He found that water was warm enough to take a bath. Then he sat down into the water. For some time, it was fine, and Toto was enjoying the water. But after some time, the heat of the water started increasing. The water started boiling. Toto was now feeling somewhat more hot. So what did he did? He tried to come out of the kettle, but when he came out of the kettle, when he raised his body out of the kettle, he found that outside it was cold. Just to enjoy it again, he sat down. But now, what happened? He got stuck in it completely, and the heat of the water increased to a great level, and it was almost boiling. Toto started jumping into the water. He was trying to come out of it. He was trying to come out of it, but he was not able to come out of it. And finally, the grandmother came to save himself from boiling. So, in this way, he was saved by boiling alive by the grandmother. His mischievous activity did not stop here. Toto has one another habit. Toto was very fond of tearing the cloths. Whenever any new uh, guest came to their house, he used to jump over that person and used to make a hole in their cloths, whether it was a new or old. These are some of the mischievous activities of the Toto, and we see that Toto, how naughty is Toto. टोटो को एक कपड़े फाड़ने की बीमारी थी। किसी को भी देखता घर में आया नए कपड़े पहना है, उसके ऊपर जंप करता तुरंत और कपड़े फाड़ देता, बहुत नुकसान कर रहा था। व्हाट हैपन, लेकिन इससे भी बड़ा कुछ हुआ। वन डे देयर वाज समथिंग मच बिगर देन ऑल हिज मिस्chievous एक्टिविटीज। वन डे व्हाट हैपन, ऑन द डाइनिंग टेबल, plate full of the pulao, you understand, rice, was kept for the family members for their dinner, for their lunch, you can say. It was lunch, for their lunch. And when all the members of the family reached to the dining table, they found that Toto was sitting in front, in the middle of the dining table, and he was eating the rice from the table. Seeing him doing this thing, every member of the family became angry. The grandmother started shouting at him. एंड व्हाट हैपेंस, आपने भी देखा होगा, जब हम किसी मंकी पर शाउट करते हैं तो क्या होता है, द मंकी shouts back to us ना. Same thing happened when the grandmother shouted over the monkey Toto. The monkey Toto threw the hat over him, and not only that, he also threw the plate over him. And when the aunt tried to catch Toto, when she tried to do something to Toto, Toto threw the glass of the water over her face. And when the grandfather came, Toto sat over that jackfruit tree throughout the day, and he was eating every piece of the rice slowly and slowly, as if he was determined to finish every grain that was there in the plate. And up by the afternoon, by the evening, he has finished. After, sorry, not it is by the evening, after some time, he has finished the every grain that was there in that plate. And because the grandmother has shouted at him, so he wanted to annoy him, he wanted to just make her more angry. And in order to make her more angry, he threw that plate, and the plate was broken into hundreds several pieces. You can see that how much problem Toto was creating for them. Now everybody realized that Toto was not a pet to be kept in the house for a long time, because they were not very rich and they could not afford the loss of the dishes and the cloths and the curtains every day. And finally, grandfather took a hard decision to get rid of the monkey. He found a Tonga driver and sold Toto back to him only for 3 rupees. Okay, so that's what the story. I hope you enjoyed the story.